Well, this is your Sew What Seamstress, and as promised, this is my industrial machine made by Consew. It's a Consew CP206RL walking foot sewing machine. As you can see, there's the walking foot right there. And to thread it, it's very simple. The only interesting part about threading this machine is that your thread is on a spool. Where is that thing? There it is. It's on a spool back there. And you bring the thread up. Comes up to the top here. And goes through this little thread guide. And then here you have 3 little holes. And you just go in and out, all 3 of them, down through the tension disc. And the tension wire comes back up. This is just like any other sewing machine except for the 3 holes in the thread guide there. Through the arm, comes down here, and then instead of having a wire, you have a hole in this metal piece right here. The thread goes in through the front. The needle is positioned with the hole in the needle from side to side, not front to back. So the thread goes in through the side and back. And this is the walking foot. Give you a little closer look what a walking foot looks like. And then just like your normal other sewing machines, it does have a bobbin inside. Just like any other sewing machine. There's your bobbin casing. It's all the same. This is called a portable or tabletop industrial machine because it has a nice little handle. It came with a case, and this thing will sew through leather. I actually have a piece of leather that came with it where it was tested out with the biggest stitch on there. This lever here is your stitch length, and all the way to the top is your biggest or widest stitch. And if you take it to the bottom, it goes in reverse. So you got forward, reverse, and this adjusts the size stitch that you want to stitch it with. Now I put it all the way up there. I had some scrap leather here, and I folded it over in half just to see how it would stitch, and it stitched it pretty good. So I don't have any projects that I'm working on with this machine right now, but I did break it out and give it a little test run. Now keep in mind the thread on these machines is a much heavier duty machine thread, and you're always going to use a number 20 or 22 needle because it has to go through the leather. So I hope you enjoyed this little prelude, and when I get the rest of my work area squared away here, we'll actually show you how this wonderful machine works and how great it is on leather.